Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start the revision on the Discover. We will revise Chapter 1, How Goods Are Made Around the World. We are going to remember what have we studied in this chapter, and then we will answer some questions. Chapter 1, How Goods Are Made Around the World. First, we have to know what is the meaning of goods. Goods are products. And what is the products? Products are things that I can buy or sell. Anything you can buy or sell, I call it goods or products. Okay, let's start this chapter. In lesson 1, we have learned the meaning of wants and needs and what is the difference between them. Okay, we have learned that wants are something that is nice to have, but we could live without it. Like new shoes or fancy shoes, sweets and candy. This means that you will be happy if you have this thing, but you can live if you don't have it. Okay, but needs are things that help us to survive. Survive means live. Like water, food and shelter. I can't live without water and food and shelter. So they are needs. I need them. Okay? In lesson 2, we have talked about how to make a pencil. The chapter called how to make goods. We chose pencil to know how we make it. First, we have to know the resources. What is the meaning of resources? Resources means materials I used. What materials we use in the pencil. So, the pencil have 3 parts. The tip, which is the black one, the body, and the eraser. The tip is made of graphite. The body is made of wood, and the eraser is made of rubber. These are called resources. So our resources are rubber, graphite, and wood. The resources are rubber, graphite, and wood. Resources means materials. Where can I get these resources? From its source. I have to know the source. So I get the rubber from the rubber tree. I get the graphite from the underground mines. I get the wood from the tree. And any product is made from resources. How can we make it? We have to know the stages of manufacturing a pencil. What is the meaning of manufacturing? Manufacture means to make. So manufacturing is making, the stages of making a pencil. But here they are not in order. We will match the number with the picture. The first stage is that we get our resources. So we go to the source. I go to the source. So number 1 is the source. I go to the tree and the undermined grounds to get the resources. Number 2, I get the resources. So I will match number 2 with my resources, the rubber, the wood, and the graphite. Number 3, we go to the factory. Number 4, we get our pencil. So these are the 4 stages of making a pencil. Lesson 3, types of goods. I can categorize goods. Categorize means sort, make them as groups. So I have clothing, food, toys, hygiene, and each one have goods. Clothing like t-shirt, pants, scarf. Food like apple, burger, sandwiches. Toys are like soccer ball, doll, and yo-yo. Hygiene like toothbrush, comb, and shampoo. Okay. Categorize goods according to place. So we have categorized them before according to their type. They are food, hygiene. This is the type. Now we will categorize them according to the place where we buy it. For example, we buy from the grocery store, we buy fruits and vegetables. From the pharmacy, we buy toothbrush, shampoo, medicine. Bookstore, we buy books, stories, pencil. The market, we buy cheese, milk, egg. So I have a place, and you have to know what you buy from this place, okay? In lesson 4, we have studied how to make a t-shirt, or the life cycle of a product. Also, we have said that the chapter is called How Goods Are Made, and we have studied how pencil is made, and now we will study how t-shirt is made. We have also stages. I start by cotton, so I harvest cotton. I harvest the cotton. Harvest means pick up. I pick the cotton up. And then we manufacture it. We make it. And then I go and buy it from the store. I wear the shirt and then I can throw it or recycle. What does this mean? If you wear the t-shirt and it gets old, how can you use it? You can recycle it or throw it, and you will choose which is better. If you throw away the t-shirt, you will harm the environment. It's not good. If you recycle it, it will be so good. You can cut it into another piece. You can use the t-shirt as any other thing, or you can give it to another one that will use it. In chapter 4, we have learned about technology. It's something that is man-made and help us to live, work, or play. Something that make life easy, you know. So I call it technology. And technology, it doesn't have to be an electric machine. It can be a plate, a board, a marker, a broom, and also computer, swings, anything that the man have made and make our life easy. Okay, this is technology. Lesson 6, to create something. We have explained inventions, and we call that invent is to create something that didn't exist before, that make people's life easier. So this is how you invent something. You make something that is not exist. You can use your imagination, draw a picture, make a list, ask your friend, and then make your invention. In lesson 7, we have learned about appliances. Appliances are machines in our home. Like the fan, it cools the air, the oven, heat the food, and the laptop find information. And we have learned also how to conserve water. Conserve water means to save water and take care of our environment. And how can you save water? By turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, or take shorter showers, something like that, okay? Lesson 8, we have learned also how to make bread. How to make bread. This is also a good that we know how to make it. First, the wheat grow in fields. Number 2, we harvest wheat using a tractor. Number 3, we send it to a factory. And number 4, we turn wheat into flour. Number 5, the baker uses the flour to make bread. And number 6, people buy bread from the bakery. Let's say it again. Wheat grow in fields. We harvest wheat. We send it to the factory. We turn wheat into flour. The baker uses the flour and make bread. And then we buy the bread from the bakery. Okay, we have finished the chapter. Now let's try to answer some question. You can pause the video and try to answer it by yourself, and then you check the answer. Okay, here we have match. I have resources and I have source. The first picture, graphite. What is the source of graphite? Okay, first let's see the 3 pictures. I have graphite, I have rubber, and then wood. In the source I have rubber tree, and underground mines. Let's match. The first picture is graphite, and we get the graphite from underground mines. Excellent. And then we get the rubber from rubber tree. Excellent. and the wood from the tree. Same question. Arrange the cycle of pencil. So we have pictures and they are not in order. We will put 1 to 3 according to the order. To make a pencil, what is the first thing we do? We go to the source. So the underground mines and the tree will be number 1. When I go to the source, I get resources. So the resources will be number 2. The car here have graphite and rubber and wood. Okay. This car will take the resources into factory. So the factory will be number 3. And then the factory give me the pencil. It will be number 4. This is how we arrange the cycle of a pencil. Question number 3. Classify. Here you have a category and some goods, and you will put the good in front of its category. So I have here clothing, food, toys, hygiene, and I have in the word bank, I have t-shirt, fish, Barbie doll, toothbrush, dress, bowl, milk and soup. What goods are a clothing goods? Just think. Excellent. T-shirt and dress. What goods are food goods? Thank you. Fish and milk. What are toys goods? Barbie doll and bowl. What are hygiene goods? Toothbrush and soap. Excellent. Question number 4. We will match the place and the good that I can buy from this place. The first place we have is pharmacy, and then bookstore, grocery store, and then market. The goods we have is milk, fruits and vegetables, medicine, and books. Let's match. The first one, pharmacy. We buy from the pharmacy what? Think about it. Excellent. Medicine. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Let's match. We buy milk from the market. Then we buy, yes, from the pharmacy we buy medicine, and from the grocery we buy fruits and vegetables, and from the bookstore we buy books. Again, from the pharmacy we buy medicine, from the bookstore we buy books, from the grocery store we buy fruits and vegetables, from the market we buy milk. Question number 5. We will arrange also the cycle of a t-shirt. What is the first step to make a t-shirt? Excellent, we harvest cotton. Number 2. We manufacture it by cutting and sewing and something like this. Number 3. We get the t-shirt. And number 4, we buy it from store. And number 5, we throw it or recycle, and we have said that it will be more good to recycle. It's so easy to arrange, right? Number 6, we will match the appliance to its function, how we use it. We have here a stove, washing machine, fridge, and laptop. And in the other column we have clean clothes, heat up food, find information, keep food cold. Let's start. The stove, heat up food, excellent. The washing machine, clean clothes. The fridge, keep food cold. The laptop, find information. I think chapter 1 become more easy. I hope you understand, and I hope you enjoyed this chapter. Try to do this question at home to make it more easy. Thank you so much.